Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also unbox the Boost Cube series, which is fast wireless charger from iClever. It is model IC-WL04. It is a compact and very small little device. So once you see the box and once we are going around, it has a lot of markings, but again we're going to capture most of these stuff in the video. So when we open the box itself, you can see that the components that are part of this is a little warranty card. It indicates to you how you can get information and how you're going to warranty this if there is an issue. Except that it comes with a user manual which has a lot of information that it gives you detailed information if you can charge your phone even with case or without case. On top of that, it also comes with a micro USB connection. It is 0.5 meter, and also on the other side is USB 2.0 connection, and this is how you're going to charge or hook up your wireless charger to this. Except that the wireless charger itself comes with a little pouch, and once you take that out, it is nice and round with the really cool detailing on top that kind of gives you a feeling that it is leather. It has a really nice looking engraving of the actual iClever logo. Also, it indicates the name. Going around it, it has an indicator in the front. Once you start charging, it will be green, and going on a back part of it, you have a little connection for the micro USB, so this way you can connect it to the charger. Going on the bottom, you have 4 little legs so it can stand up, and on top of that it has a lot of markings on the bottom, except that it is very nice. It doesn't weigh much, and when you look on top of it, it has really cool detailing. The micro USB connection portion of it also have the iClever engraving on it. On top of that, you can see that this inputs 5 volt 2 amps, which is around 9 volt, and is running 1.67 amps. And it outputs 5 volt 1 amp, which is 9 volt 1.1 amp. That means fast charger will work on this. We will be placing a link where you can order this from, and also some little information from the official website at the bottom of this video. Except that, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out to grow in this community. Also gives us motivation to make these type of videos for you guys. And on top of that, if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button so that way we can grow in this community. Except that, visit our website, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and other social networking places, and thank you.